flood control, wallet control. Every time it rains, it's not just the streets that drown, but the dreams of the people, nalunod din. Flood control daw. Billions, trillions, contracts everywhere. Pero bakit mas mabilis pang lumubog ang bansa kesa tumaas ang kalidad ng proyekto? Concrete, matibay daw, pero parang chalk, natutunaw. Asphalt, makapal daw, pero pag ulan, parang lugaw. We are fighting water, but money always wins. Photo op, ribbon cutting, palakpakan. Pero sa unang buhos ng ulan, the road becomes a sea, the jeep becomes a boat, and the people, lutang sa baha. And us, we keep swimming, not just in floods, but in corruption. Until when? Hanggang kailan lulubog ang bayan if every contract has a kickback? If every project has a commission? If every raindrop equals tears? One day, the people's voices must be louder than money's flow. One day, principle must be stronger than fake cement. One day, flood control must protect the nation, not their pockets.